to our dear children. As we celebrate another important chapter in their life, let us appreciate the amazing achievement, joy, and wonder they have experienced throughout the school year. To our dear completers and graduates, I want you to know that each one of you is a gift from God. You have just finished another year of fun and learning, and your achievement deserves to be celebrated with pride and joy. The theme for today, K-12 graduates molded through a resilient educational foundation, speaks of our qualities to endure hardship and challenges and emerge successful in our chosen endeavor. We do things with passion and dedication. We can be the best of whatever we can do. We welcome another development in our curriculum. As I know that you heard about Matatag curriculum that will be implemented starting next school year. And we welcome that development because we believe that it will mold our learners, our children, to become more resilient and to become more productive citizens of our country. And I would like to take this opportunity also to express my gratitude to the school administrators. You know, they receive already the government recognition for the operation of this school, which means that they are very compliant of the requirements prescribed by the department. And that would also mean that we are assured of the quality of education that they are giving to your children. So I hope that you will invite more of your friends to come and experience the kind of education that World Grace Vision is giving to your kids. So I also believe, as as member of the educational sector, I also believe that the administrators of this school is trying also their best to give you the best quality of quality kind of education. So, what you have learned in school, my dear graduates, has prepared you to achieve great things in the future. Always believe that you are capable of achieving your dreams. Your dreams will give you courage and work hard and hope to never give up even when things become difficult. Always remind yourself that you have the talents and gifts that God has given you that will enable you to do things that make you and your family happy. As you continue your journey, always be kind to everyone. Be a friend to others, be helpful, and spread love and understanding wherever you go. Always help those who are in need. To the parents, school administrators, and teachers who have guided and supported these wonderful children, thank you for your dedication. Your love, patience, and guidance have laid a foundation upon which your children's future achievements will be built. You have nurtured their young minds and hearts, and today, we celebrate the fruits of your labor. To the school, my salute for providing the best place for learning and fun, where children learn not only how to count, how to write and read, but also how to share, be kind, and work with their friends. Continue to nurture young minds and hearts. We thank you for being our partner in educating the young. Lastly, my dear completers, always remember that you are talented, you are loved, and you are capable of achieving great things. Your future awaits for you to unfold your boundless potential. Congratulations, and may your journey be filled with endless opportunities and extraordinary adventures. Dream big, shine bright, and go forth. My young completers and graduates, and conquer the world. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you, Dr.